Yeah. What's my name? Oh, Nana. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, come on. Anyira matino, anyira mabejo, anyira maleng. Ngoma rach. What is happening with you ladies? Ngoma rach kid with these days, madong. You prefer to have guys who are born again. You want every guy who wanna come to you must be a born again. Well, what is it? No mier dong mulokole lo ani. Mulokole dong gibedo cho mabejo mabedo to magromberu kidi for good dong gromberu un kidi o matwala we. The born again guys are the most holy one to be with you ladies. I noticed this one, and then again in church, remember that these days. Ma ineno anyara maleng mabe mate paj maleng makome buru mada chirka no better to single what you are benepe. And no kade chirwe pen. We need the condition. Kay miran. Kay converting kay do born again. Yeah, they will just tell you point blank. You wanna marry me or you wanna date me? Please, you need to convert to become at least born again, which is crazy and stupid because since when did relationship has been determined by being born again or by religion? You need to get born again. Fuck off. Come on ladies, you need to style up. You are losing very potential guys in your life to be with you in the name of get born again. Hey, you spend an entire day in the church wasting all night shouting, making noise for people to sleep. What the hell is wrong with ladies nowadays and born again? Pastors, stop fooling our ladies. One love, Prince Icon.